Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. A French automotive brand known for its innovative and pioneering approach to car design. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Citroën, Citroen, sit, run, Citroën. Citroën continues to focus on creating stylish and practical vehicles, including electric and hybrid models, while maintaining its reputation for creativity and engineering excellence. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Citroën, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.